going on, everyone? Welcome back to Sonoma County Living. In today's video, we're going to be taking a property tour of this beautiful home here in the Hidden Valley neighborhood of Santa Rosa. We are just down the road from Hidden Valley Elementary, very highly rated elementary school. Also just down the street from some great shops to eat. You got Sandy's Pizza, Willies Wine Bar, and Pacific Market, but very centrally located neighborhood. I can't wait to show you around. Let's go take a look. All right, let's begin our tour of this beautiful home here in the Hidden Valley neighborhood. So as we make our way up here, you can see they got a nice front patio area. You can put some patio furniture out here. A little area to hang out. Here's just a quick view of the front. Now you are on Hidden Valley Drive here. This is one of the main thoroughfares through the Hidden Valley neighborhood. So you will get a little bit more traffic, as you can see here, but still a very residential area, so not too bad and too noisy like being close to a highway or anything, but just something to keep in mind. And as we enter, you have a few steps up to the right, and you have the beautifully updated kitchen here. Nice bar area, granite countertops, all stainless steel appliances, and just a really big, nice open floor plan up here. So you have the dining room right here, and then living space. Got the TV mount and gas fireplace, and some nice big windows out to the front. And you also have this nice little balcony here. So a very relaxing place. You could put a couple chairs out here. Just get a nice view of some of the beautiful scenery nearby. So nice little perk there. Another view of the kitchen, but let's make our way down here. Now before we hit the bedrooms, let's swing over this way. They got this nice little added space down here. This could be an extra living room or just a little hangout area for the kids or an office, but really nice to have this extra space here. And leads right into the garage. Has a slider into the backyard, which we will see shortly. And here's another door into the backyard as well. Got some storage closets. Here you have the hall bath with the automatic light. So bath there. Should be bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. And the master here. You got the barnyard door into the bathroom. So the bathroom and the walk-in closet here. Got some nice shelves for organization. And newly updated tile. So master bath. And you have the slider right out to the backyard. So you got the jacuzzi. And then you have an upper level deck on the top, as well as an area that leads right off of that lower living section as well. And then just a really private, nice, peaceful backyard. You don't have any windows looking in. As you can see, really just a beautiful, nice garden space. I'll hook over this way so you can get a better view of the backyard. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. Now, if you like this property tour and you want to see more property or neighborhood tours just like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you've been thinking about purchasing a home here in Sonoma County, feel free to reach out, give me a call or shoot me a text. I'd love to help you make a smooth transition here to beautiful Sonoma County, California. And with that being said, I'll catch you around at the next video.